Right. Okay, so I wanted to do a really quick video of how to import a zip file. So that way, if you did want to create like an assessment really quickly, right? So you wanted to import questions from a file that you already have created. This might save you some time. Okay, so there's a couple of things you're going to need. So one is, the test. So like, for example, this one, I'm going to use this one as an example. So like we have the question, answer choices, question, answer choices, right? So you can do multiple choice. You can also do multiple answer. You can do fill in the blanks, true, false questions, and then the essay and short answers. Okay, so yeah, let me go back to the assessment. Okay, so this has to be already created. So this is why I was thinking maybe if teachers already have a file like a Word doc with all the questions and answers, this might be useful. Okay, so the next thing we're going to need is this website right here, Blackboard Test Generator Documentation. And so what it does, this is actually just the instructions that shows how to do it. So what this is a video, so you can watch the video to get a demonstration. But what it does is when you go to the site, this one right here, okay, so it opens up, and then what you do is, and I had this, let me erase all of this because I had already been testing it ahead of time. Okay, so what it is this website, it'll generate a Blackboard quiz, and the Blackboard quiz is the one that then you could upload into Schoology. Okay, so here's how it works. So I'm going to go back into my test, right? So let's say I wanted these 3 questions. So here I'm just going to do a command copy, and I'm going to paste it in there. And then let's say I wanted a few of these 3 true false ones. So again, I'm going to select it and then copy. Okay, so then I'm going to paste it, and then let's say I want one of these essay questions. Okay, so then I'm going to paste it. Okay, so here's our test now. The first thing we got to do is we have to format it so that way it knows where's the question. So what it wants is a number with a period. Okay, so in my questions, just because this is how oh, and the other thing too that reminded me, you want an empty spot between, you want an empty line between questions. Okay, so you got question 1, A, B, C, D, your answer choices, a blank line. Okay, and then the next one. Okay, so just a number, a period. So you can even do a number and a parenthesis if you wanted to do that. Okay, and space for period. And then this was I think this was true false. Yeah, it was 3 true false questions. Six, and then this was the essay. Okay, so we're done. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back to this page, the wiki. So here are some instructions. So it gives some examples like the multiple choice examples. So like the one we're doing. So you put the question on a single line, the answer is immediately following the question, and then an asterisk in front of the correct choice. Okay, so then right here it gives the example. So I'm gonna go back to the website. So let's say this was the choice, the correct choice. You put the asterisk there. Let's say B was the answer here. And let's say this one was the multiple. Let's say there was more than one right answer. So I'm going to say that was the first one, and then this was the second right answer. Actually, you know what? Oh no, we can do, since this is a blank one. Yeah, I'm going to do this one different because this is where they can write in their answer, right? And yeah, so then that's the correct answer for that one. Let's say this one was the multiple answer one. So I'm going to put 2 asterisks. Okay, this one is, actually these 3 are the true false. So with true false, what you're going to do is you can put a T after the question, to that way it tells it if this question is true or this question is false. Okay, and then the short answer ones,